What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing a long arm obby. So let's see what is this? Oh wait, why is it already? Oh my god, bruh. Okay, let's go back. I want to see what the what this thing is. Okay, I'll jump on this side. Okay, let's go. Hurry your booty butt up. Oh my god, why? Oh my god, I thought it was gonna stop me. What's? Oh my god, stop. Okay. I swear I'm getting a better score this time. Oh my bloody god. Can't. Okay, I'll probably get like 6 or something. Wait, no. Isn't that what I got last time? I can't remember. Okay. Oh my god, go up the ladder. Go up the ladder. Jesus. I can't do anything. Okay, don't fall off. Oh my god, I got something worse. This sucks. Let's go. Let's do my favorite color. Oh god, why does it already start me? I can't make it. Go. Okay, let's go. End it. Oh my god. We got 7.682. I mean, I guess that's fine, but anyways. Oh my god, the stupid book. Or the sign, whatever that was. I don't know. Okay, don't hit anything. Okay, we'll do purple. Oh my god, it's going. Wait. How do you do this one? Oh, okay, hold on. Oh my god, my hand's gonna hit it. Okay, let me look. Oh, you jump on it like that. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. What do I do? How am I supposed to make it up there? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I don't know how many times I've said oh my god, but Jesus Christ. Bro. Tell me what's your motive. Sorry, I'm saying. On the phone, I sound like but like in real life, my voice is super low. Okay, anyways. Oh my god, I can't make that. How am I supposed to make that jump? Oh, I jumped there. I'm stupid. No, oh my god. Bruh. I'm not doing this anymore, bro. This is stupid. Anyways, let's do blue. Actually, let's play a different game. Tokyo, but they're lava rising. Let's play that. This is that. I don't know what this is. Tell me, what's your motive? Okay, let's do this. Tower of keyboard eating, but there's lava rising? Interesting. Okay, let's do easy mode. Oh my god. My god. Where does oh yeah, warning, I rage a lot and I have headphones on, so yeah, be careful. Okay, we can make this. Oh my god. So annoying. Oh my god. Anyways, back to this. Okay, let's do it. Oh my god. So annoying. Okay, what if I just like walk and like try and jump to the next platform? Okay. Oh my god. I've been trying this thing for so long. Okay. Breather. Oh. Okay. Let's try this again. Wait. Maybe? No. Okay, anyways. Oh my god, my lungs hurt from that. Okay, let's go. Just had to take a little break, anyways. I need cat therapy. Yeah, let's go. The kittens! Look at them! They're so cute. Meowscles. Ginger cats. I love ginger cats. How's the obby going? Terrible. I hate it. If bad, then just think about all the other people that didn't make it. I haven't even made it a quarter way through. Is Strick or Kitty zone? Zone through the dog. Zone is not here. They're like a dog therapy thing. I'm just trying to, Okay, I want to look if there's like a dog therapy waiting area. Or a viewing area. I saw waiting. What the heck? This is weird. I can't really read that. The stud somebody asked for? I think that's what it said. But anyways, let's go back. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, let's go. We're going to try the walking. Okay, maybe I can just jump to that. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's go. Okay, carefully. Yes! Oh my god, there's more of this? Oh my god. Okay, let's just... I made it so far! I made it literally so far. Oh my god. I'm a barking dog for some reason. But that's just sad, bro. Anyways. Okay, sorry, I had to calm down from that. Anyways, okay, let's do this. Okay, just power through it. Okay, come on. Yes. Okay, Inner Spider-Man. Let's go. Okay. Okay, jump. Okay, last jump. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, again. Oh. I'm getting so close each time. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, I'm gonna make it. We're doing medium. Screw the... This looks the exact same. How is this supposed to... But that looked the exact same. How is it supposed to be different? I don't know. Bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, Inner Spider-Man. Okay, jumpy. So stupid. Okay, I swear, I'm about to just go to hard. Oh my god. We're doing hard, bro. This is so messed up. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. I'm a dog. Okay. One more time. No. Okay, I don't know, bro. I can't decide. Okay, come on. Okay, we made it. Let's go. Okay, jump. Okay, jump. Oh my god! Yes! Woo! Oh my god. Run before lava is rising. Oh my god, this is the lava rising part. Wait. What do I go to? Oh my god, it's going so fast! What the heck? What the... We're going back to easy mode, bro. I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. You know what? Just to get my mind off things, we are going to listen to music. Hold on. Pause. We've listened to that song way too much. Let's listen to a weird song, then a funny song, okay, guys? Just relax.
Can I please bite a chunk out of that ass?
You know why I pulled you over?
'Cause I was speeding?
No, 'cause you're black. We're supposed to pull people over if they're black. I'm supposed to hit you with this now, okay?
What? No way!
Yes, Ray. Please get on the ground so I can beat you.
No! You can't go around beating people with clubs.
Well, maybe you can't, but I'm LAPD. I have a quota.
Okay, stop. Okay, I know y'all probably want to know, like, whenever I die, my sad song comes on, y'all probably want to know how it finishes, but most of y'all know. I'm just gonna play it anyways. Miss, can you please play that song again? It was super good. We all loved it, please. Okay. Oh, little kid. I don't know what I'm doing at this point with the little kids, but anyways. Oh, little kids. Don't y'all like One Republic songs? Okay, calm down. I'll give you a One Republic song, okay?
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out. No need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now.
Sorry I have to end it early, but bye guys. Have a good time.